Hi there, students. Veteran. A veteran. Okay, I think a veteran is somebody who has a lot of experience in a particular activity. So you could definitely call me a veteran teacher. Yeah, somebody who has done something a lot and has a large amount of experience for it, or doing it. I think you also can call a veteran someone who has been in the armed forces, somebody who was a soldier. I think particularly during a war. So, for example, a Vietnam veteran, a veteran of Vietnam. Yeah, my grandfather was a veteran of 2 world wars. Okay, there are few surviving veterans left alive from the Second World War nowadays. Okay, so I think primarily someone who has just long years of experience doing something in a particular field, an old hand. Yeah, a master of something. Okay, so a veteran, particularly a veteran, and then a profession. So, for example, a veteran actor, a veteran broadcaster, a veteran campaigner. Yeah, a veteran journalist, a veteran performer, a veteran director. So I guess Warren Buffett is a veteran investor. Yeah, he has many years experience doing this. You could also have a veteran car. This is one of these old-fashioned cars. They have sometimes a race, I think, from London to Brighton for veteran cars, for these old-fashioned cars. Okay, a veteran political campaigner with many years experience. He's a veteran police force, a veteran member of the police. So we very often use it as this modifier. Yeah, I think if you just say he's a veteran and we don't know which field, then it's a veteran soldier, somebody who has fought in a war. Yeah, they are veterans of foreign wars. But a veteran, somebody who is seasoned. Yeah, a veteran officer, a seasoned officer. Yeah, they're a pro. Yeah, they're somebody who has done this for many years. Yeah, he's a veteran of the Conservative Party, a veteran conservative. I guess you're using it there as a modifier or as an adjective as well. Okay, so they've had lots and lots of experience. They're an old hand. They know what they're doing. Let's see, a veteran car. The definition of a veteran car is a car constructed before 1918. Yeah, so it's 100 years old, but especially before 1905. These are classic cars, vintage cars. They are veterans. Okay, so a veteran normally talks about a person, somebody who has long experience, long service in a particular field, in a particular place. I think maybe this is related to the adjective inveterate. Somebody who always does something. This is an old habit from the past. Yeah, so he's an inveterate drinker. Nobody can stop him. So a veteran, formality. 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from vetus, veteris, meaning old age. And and then the veteran or veteranus, that suffix at the end makes the adjective into a noun. So a veterus, old, veteranus, a veteran, or veteran as an adjective, I should say. Okay, so a veteran. Yeah, when you get old, you become you're a veteran, certainly of things. The minimum, a veteran of life. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now, veteran.